Hello, I'm Melissa Axelsson, one of the directors for the New Jersey Center for Teaching and Learning. And one nice tip that I would like to share is if you don't have any devices, any clickers, responders, things like that to collect data about the formative assessment questions that we have embedded in our presentations, you can use this free resource, Plickers, P-L-I-C-K-E-R-S. So Plickers.com lets you print the cards out, and you give each student one. They're individualized, and the QR code basically tells me that this student would want to have a B. There's a real small B written at the top. I take my cell phone, I scan the classroom, I get all of the results. I'm instantly able to hold that up or display that in front of the class. And from those results, the students together decide what the correct answer is. So it's a great way to improve social constructivism in your classroom and leads to a very student-centered classroom.